Well, dear 9th class student, this is English High School Vijaypura, Karnataka, and I am your English faculty in front of you, Madam Shashwati Chaudhary. So, justice above self, the story is continuing. Unit 5, prose, Munshi Premchand, written by Munshi Premchand. And the previous video, already I told you that Dalpat Rai, his pseudonym is actually Munshi Premchand. By taking the name of Munshi Premchand, all different good story he has composed. He is a very good writer in Hindi and Urdu literature. Well, 9th, please get ready, full group 9th, with open your book, textbook, page number 91. A pencil should be in your hand. All attachment notes should be ready. Previous lesson, please go through it. Continuous repetition, recapitulation, everything should be there. Keep on study and notes. Make it properly and study well. So, class 9 student, justice above self. Let's start the story. Page 91 by Munshi Premchand. Juman Sheikh, Part 1. Juman Sheikh and Albu Chaudhary were very good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. In the old age, this boy will look after the aunt. So, believing him, that aunt, the old lady, started staying with that person by giving money also. So, Juman had an old aunt. So, Juman's old aunt started living with Juman by giving cost also, by giving expenditure, cost and all. So that in the old days, Juman will take care of the aunt. On good faith, the old aunt thought in this way and started staying with Juman. Then what happened? The arrangement worked well for a couple of years, but therefore the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grasped even the little food that the old lady needed for survival. Juman's wife is very bad character, no quality itself. And Juman's wife always irritates the old aunt, and Juman's wife never want that the minimum food for survival the old aunt should eat. So she is very cruel. Who? Juman's wife. On whom? On the old aunt. And the old aunt, it is beyond her toleration in that age. Staying, giving money, after that also very bad type of this, you may say, behavior, manners, attitude, very wrong attitude of Juman's wife. Even Juman also, very bad attitude towards the old aunt. She swallowed these insults, very insulting to her, along with her food for a few months. But patience has its limit. Juman's old aunt won't be able to tolerate once more. So she had taken some decision. One day she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Your wife don't want, so you don't want me. You are not supporting me. And your attitude is also very bad like your wife. That one with very much grudge. After insulting getting insulted every day to day life. Then Juman's old aunt, it's normal that her attitude also changed, and she told to Juman in this way that, oh, I am of no use now. So you don't like to me. I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. Give me from my money one monthly allowance. I can set up one kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. Juman is telling my wife, Juman's wife. Juman is thinking like a dog and a blind person that no, my wife knows everything and my wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient. You are an old lady. Why are you running after my wife? What my wife is doing correct. Be patient. You should have your patience. Say Juman shamelessly in front of wife. Attitude is very wrong. That wife, he is supporting and insulting the old aunt who is just like his mother. This made his aunt angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. So the old aunt of Juman got very angry that you are insulting me. I am your old aunt like your mother and you are insulting me in front of your wife and you are telling Juman that your wife is great. She knows everything. She has all knowledge to run the house. Okay. So the old aunt decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Now what happened? The old lady went about meeting people explaining her case. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her. Now people are also like that. Maybe neighbors, maybe surroundings, maybe society. Some people are good. They don't know, no, it is very wrong going on with you. No. You have to file a case in front of panchayat. No, it is wrong, aunt, it is wrong. But maximum people laughed at aunt. Oh, she became mad. That's why she's telling this way, these, that, so many things. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her. A few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. It is your personal matter. Why don't you solve it in between Juman, your nephew, and Juman's wife? At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. Algu Chaudhary is very good friend of Juman. So the old aunt reached to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him what the old aunt told. You know Chachi, now Algu Chaudhary, and spoke to him about all these matters. Now what happened? You know Chachi. Chachi means aunt. Juman is my very best friend. Algu Chaudhary told that you know, Juman is my very best friend. How can I go against him? You tell me, aunt, how can I go against him? That is Juman, who is my very good friend from my childhood. Then again Algu said, but is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? Pleaded the old lady. But in the same concern, he told in different way also that no, if anything wrong attitude, maybe he is my friend. But if anything wrong going on with you, you are the old aunt in front of me. So that one, okay, it should be justified. Then what happened? Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Algu did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. Now the aunt told, see Algu, you are telling me in this way, Juman is your very good friend. Okay, I agree this matter. But if anything wrong he do with me, you should be justified. So you also come in front of the panchayat where I will file the case. I will tell to panchayat in front of whole society that Juman and Juman's wife tortured on me in this way. This is the version of the old aunt. So Algo did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. Algo started feeling or felt something about the situation that continuously the old aunt told him this way. No, really. There should be some manners and attitude. Why the old aunt will tell him this way? These all things Algo Chaudhary started feeling it. That's all to this lesson. So children, till this much you will read the whole story and try to understand the concept of the lesson, what Munshi Premchand wanted to reflect in front of the viewers and the readers. This is very important. In my next video, I will come back with the continuity of this lesson. In between, you will read thoroughly the introductory part and the formal portion of the story, Justice Above Self by Munshi Premchand. Thank you very much.